What's up guys, it's your girl Seynt here. In this video, I'm going to talk you through on how you can get that dark mode on your Instagram, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for Instagram and they are quite easy to follow along tutorials. If you don't want to miss out on any Instagram's updates, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So I'm just going to talk you through on how you can get dark mode. First of all, you need to update your iPhone to iOS 13. Without this, it's not going to work. In my circumstance, I have an iPhone 7. I have this fear of updating my iOS because I feel like in the past when I have, my phone was always super duper slow and then I have to go out and buy a new phone. Since I haven't updated it at all, I haven't had any issues with my phone. It's still going really fast. Anyways, I'm digressing now. So to get the dark mode, like I said, you need to get iOS 13, so go ahead and update your phone if you haven't yet. And once you've done that, to my understanding, for it to take effect in Instagram, you obviously on your home page, you need to like swipe up and then there'll be a section where you can tap onto it and it will say dark mode, and then from there you can toggle between the dark and light background. Once you switch it to dark mode, you can go into your Instagram account and all your background is black. So I'm sorry, this is probably not the best tutorial because I'm actually not running through step by step on how to do it, but I hope this gives you an idea of what you need to do. If you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on the next one.